Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's Leetcode Daily. Number 2131, Longest Palindrome by Concatenating two-letter words. In this problem, we are given a lot of two-letter words and we are supposed to concatenate them to form palindromes, and we are supposed to find out the length of the longest palindrome. Here I represented the words in a matrix. The rows are the leading characters and the columns are the ending characters. So row A and column C represent the word AC, and we can see we have two ACs here. We have two kinds of matrix cells here. The first kind is the diagonal ones from AA, BB, CC to DD, and the rest are the regular ones. For the regular ones, we can switch row and columns to find their reverse word. Like this one, we have two AC and one CA. So we can only form one pair of ACCA. That will add up 4 to the answer. Now let's look at the diagonal ones. So when the diagonal cell is an even number, we can split the letters to the two ends of the palindrome. Like here, we have BB and BB. We can put the first BB at the beginning of the palindrome and the second BB at the end of the palindrome, so that we can use up all the BBs. But if there is just one CC, we can only put CC at the center of the palindrome. However, when we are adding DD to the palindrome, we will not be able to add another center to the palindrome, so that we have to use this tracker to track if we already have the center. If we have the center, then we are not able to add another center. For the odd numbers, when we have done calculating the center, we can use this odd number to subtract 1. This will make the odd number an even number, and for the even number, we can calculate those even number using the logic like a BB. Or to say, if we have 5 CCs, we can put the first CC at the center of the palindrome, and we can put 2 CCs at the beginning and the rest CCs at the end of the palindrome. Now let's look at the demo. Firstly, we are at AA and there's no AA. We are fine. Now we are at BB. We add 4 to the answer. Now we are at CC. We have add 2 to the answer, and we have already found the center. Now we are at DD. Because we've already found the center, so that we will not add DD to the palindrome. Now AB, AC. Here we have 2 ACs and 1 CA. We can form only one pair of ACCA. So we'll add up 4 to the answer. Now we have AD, but we do not have DA, so we'll ignore that. Okay, that's done. This is Python code. You can take a look.